Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing 50 important questions. These questions are so important for your entrance examinations because some of the questions are already asked in your entrance examinations. And if you see this video from first to last, and if you practice all the questions, I'm sure that you can solve some of the questions in your upcoming entrance examinations. Now let us see our first question. In this question, among the three numbers, if mean of the first two number is 2, mean of the last two number is 3, and mean of first and last two number is 4, what is the mean of this number? This is not that much difficult question. For this we need to understand the question very clearly. Now let us see. X, Y, Z be the three numbers, and according to question, mean of first two number is 2. Mean of first two number is 2 means x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 2, and here we will get x plus y is equal to 4. Mean of last two number is 3. It means y plus z divided by 2 is equal to 3. So y plus z will give us 6. And mean of first and last number is 4. So x plus z divided by 2 is equal to 4, and x plus z will give us 8. Now if we add this all term, we will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z, and if we add all this term, we will get 18. Now after solving this, we will get x plus y plus z is equal to 9, and we have to take mean of this number, means we need to divide by 3 on both sides. So x plus y plus z divided by 3 will be 3, and this x plus y plus z divided by 3 is the mean of three numbers, and this is in option choice A. So A is the correct answer for the question number 1. Now let us move to question number 2. These are the vertices of quadrilateral. Now we need to find the area of quadrilateral. At first we will name these vertices as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and x4 y4, and we use this formula. This is the formula to find the area of quadrilateral, and finally we will get 28 square unit as the answer of the question number 2. In this type of question, you need to take care of plus minus, and you need to take care of time as well, and you need to use some tricks. Now let us see question number 3. Which line represents the homogeneous equation of second degree? We know that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is the homogeneous equation of second degree. If you see our first option choice, this is the equation of straight line. Here is no x square term, no y square term, and no xy term, because that is not a homogeneous equation. If you see second, here is y and 2, because of y and 2, this is not homogeneous equation. If you see option choice C, x square plus y square plus 2, because of this 2, this is not homogeneous equation. If you see option choice D, x square plus 2y square is equal to 0, can also be written as x square plus 0 times xy plus 2y square, which is in fact a homogeneous equation. So among this option choice D is the correct answer for question number 3. Now let us move to question number 4. If the angle between the line represented by this equation is 90 degree, what is the value of P? We know that in homogeneous equation of second degree, 2ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, the angle between the line will be 0 if a plus b becomes 0. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square becomes 0. Here coefficient of x square is p and coefficient of y square is 1. So we can write coefficient of x square p plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. So answer for this question will be p is equal to -1. That is in option choice B. Now let us move to question number 5. The distance of a point 3,6 and x-axis is, if this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, then we will plot this like this, 3 unit and 6 unit, and there will be the point A 3,6. Now if we see this point, it is 6 unit far from x-axis, and the distance between the point and x-axis is 6 unit. That is in option choice C. Now let us move to question number 6. The distance of a point A 3,6 and y-axis, if you see this is 3 unit, this is 6 unit, and this is equal to this, parallel, they are parallel, so it is 3 unit far from y-axis. That is in option choice A. Now let us move to question number 7. What is the distance of a point 0, 5 from origin? if you plot this is origin 0, 5 will be somewhere here, and the distance between them will be 5 unit. So 5 unit is correct answer. In this question you can use distance formula as well, but don't waste your time in this type of question by using distance formula. Just use the short logic, because time also matters in entrance examinations. If these are collinear, we need to find the value of A. Collinear means if we calculate the slope of these 2 points and slope of these 2 points, they should give the same value because they are in a same line. Collinear. If we calculate slope from this by doing y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, we will get 1 by A. Again, if we use the slope formula for this 2 point, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 will give 5 by 10. On solving this, we will get A is equal to 2. That is in option choice C. So C is the correct answer for question number 8. Now let us see question number 9. 2 sine A and cos A. 2 sine A is equal to cos A. Then A is equal to what? Sine 2A is equal to cos A. Then we need to find the value of A. Sine 2A can be expressed as 2 sine A cos A, which is equal to cos A. So cos A gets cancelled. 2 sine A is equal to 1 means sine A is equal to half, which gives A is equal to 30 degree, which is in option choice B. A is equal to 30 degree is the correct answer. Or we can say sine 60 is equal to root under 3 by 2, which is equal to cos sine 60, which is equal to cos 30. Cos 30 is also root under 3 by 2. So A must be 30 degree. Now let us see question number 10. What is the value of 1 minus tan square 30 plus 1 plus tan square 30? If we see this is the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here theta is 30 degree. So 2 theta will be 60 degree. That is cos 60 is our answer. That is in option choice B. Option choice B is the correct answer for this question. Now let us see question number 11. If sine A is equal to cos A, then A is equal to. In this case, we know that sine 45 is also 1 by root under 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root under 2. 45 is in option choice B. This is correct answer. Or in another way, we can divide both term by cos A. Then we will get tan A is equal to 1. And we know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So 45 degree is correct answer for question number 11. Now let us see question number 12. In this question, sine A plus B is 1 and cos A minus B is also 1. So we know that sine 90 is equal to 1 and cos 0 is equal to 1. In order to be cos 0 here, A and B must be same. A and B must be same. That is in option choice A, option choice C and option choice D. All are contents A and B are same. But here the sum of A and B must be 90 degree because A plus B, sine A plus B, sine 90 is equal to 1. That is in option choice D. If we add 45 and 45, it will give 90, and if we subtract 45 and 45, it will give 0. Now let us move to question number 13. In this question, 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square 2 tan 15 divided by 1 plus tan square 15 is given, and our formula for this is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here theta is for 15 degree, because of that 2 theta will be 30. That is in option choice C. So sine 30 is answer for the question number 13. In another way, they can ask, they can give option choice, and if we see option choice, 1 by 2 will be the answer if they will give some certain value without giving sine 30 degree. Now let us see question number 14. Question number 14 is sec x minus 10x divided by, here should be multiply sec x minus 10x into 1 plus sin x. We know that sec x is equal to 1 by cos x and 10x is sin x by cos x, and whole multiply by 1 plus sin x. If we take common this cos x common LCM, then we will find 1 minus sin x here and 1 plus sin x here. On solving that, we will get cos square x in the numerator and cos x in the denominator. This and this will cancel and we will get cos x. Cos x is answer for the question number 14. Now let us see question number 15. Here sin 2a is equal to cos a minus 30. we can write sin 2a as cos 90 minus 2a, and this is equal to cos a minus 30. Now cos and cos will cancel. 90 and 30 will make 120. 120 is equal to 3a, means a is equal to 40 degree. A is equal to 40 degree is option choice A. So this is the correct answer for question number 15. Now see question number 16. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. We can express tan 2a as cot 90 minus 2a, which is equal to cot a minus 18. Cot and cot will cancel here, and then 3a will be 100 and 90 plus 18 is 108. So a will give us here 36 degree. 36 degree is in option choice C, which is not correct here, because we need to find the value of 2a. And this type of trick they will use sometimes. So 2a will be 72 degrees. 72 degrees is not in option choice, so none of these is correct answer for the question number 16. So take care of this type of question. Now see this question. If ABC is a right angle triangle and right angle is at A, what is the value of B cos B plus C? We know that A plus B plus C is 180 degree in triangle. If A is 90, then B plus C will be also, sum of B plus C will be also 90. So cos B plus C means cos 90, and if we know if we see the value of cos 90 is 0. That is in option choice A. So option choice A is the correct answer for question number 17. Now let us move to question number 18. In a right angle triangle, right angle is at B. Let us draw a triangle. This is B, this is A, and this is C. This AB is 2 unit and this AC is 4 unit. We need to find the angle this BCA. Now we can use formula sin theta is equal to P by H. That will give us 30 degree. 30 degree is the answer for the question number 18. Another way to solve this question is 0 degree is not possible. 180 degree is also not possible. If already one angle is 90 degree, then the another angle cannot be 90 degree. If that another angle is 90 degree, then what the next angle will be 0 degree, which is not possible. By looking this option choice also, we can predict our value. Now let us move to question number 19. If sin A is equal to 3, then value of this is. See, this is also tricky question. If sin A is equal to 3a, then cos A will be, we know our formula, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So cos A will be 1 minus sin square A, and sin A is 3. It means 1 minus 3 square is 9. So root under minus 9, which is invalid, which is the complex number. Because of that, we cannot find the value of 3 cos A minus 4 cos cube A. So it is undefined. Another way to see this question is, value of sin A cannot be 3. The maximum value of sin A is 1. It cannot go up to 3. Because of that also, the answer will be not defined. We cannot be calculate this value. Now let us see this question. The ratio of length of a rod and its shadow is 1 is to root under 3. The angle of, we need to find the angle of elevation. If this is a rod and this is the shadow, this is the elevation. If this is x and this is root under 3 times x, we need to find the value of this. By using simple geometry, tan theta is equal to P by B, we can find the answer of this question. This answer of this question is 30 degree. Now let us see question number 21. Tan A into tan 2, tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into dash 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 tan 89. If all they are multiplied, then what will be the value of their product? Now let us see this question like this. Let us take first tan A and last tan 89 together. If we bring first and last together, tan 1 and tan 89, I'm saying tan A, sorry, it's tan 1. Tan 1 can be written as tan 90 minus 89, because 90 minus 89 is 1. In fact, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus 89 will give us cot 89, and when the cot 89 is multiplied by tan 89, it will give us 1. Now if we see this second number, second term is tan 2, and second last term will be tan 88. Again, if we multiply this tan 2 and tan 88, tan 2 can be written as 90 minus tan 90 minus 88. This will give us cot 88, and cot 88 and tan 88 will be 1. If we do like this for third term in third last term, then we'll get sorry, 1 into 1 into 1 into number of ones. If we multiply large number of 1 together, then we'll get 1. So option choice C is the correct answer for the question number 21. Now see question number 22. Here 99 and 101, we need to find their product. 99 is 100 minus 1 and 101 is 100 plus 1. Now if we use our formula a plus b into a minus b, then we'll get a square minus b square. That will give us 10,000 minus 1, that is 9,999. This is the correct answer for question number 22. Now let us see question number 23. If sum of two number is 10 and product of them is 24, and that must be 6 and 4. So we need to find x cube, value of x cube and y cube. 6 cube plus 4 cube. 6 cube is 216 and 4 cube is 64. That will give us 280. For this type of question, you need to know the value of cubes till 20 and value of square till 20. Don't take much time in your examination, in order to calculate the value of 6 cube, in order to calculate the value of 8 cube, 15 cube. You need to remember, you need to make one formula, you need to recall them. Now question number 24. What is the degree of this polynomial? Y square, its degree is 2, x4, its degree is 4. Degree of this term is 3 plus 2, 5. So the highest degree in the given polynomial is called degree of polynomial. So degree of polynomial is 5 here in the question number 24. Now let us move to question number 25. If x plus 1 by x is 3, what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? Now let us see this. This is already given. Now cubing both sides, we know the formula for a cube plus b cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. This x and this x will cancel, and this will give 3, and this is also 3. And 3 3s are 9, and 9, if we subtract 9 from 27, we will get 18. So 18 is in option choice B. So this is the correct answer for the question number 25. Now let us see question number 26. Which relation is distributive law of addition? This type of relation is called distributive law of addition. We have other different law also. Please collect them all and start to study them, because one question will come from this type of distributive, commutative and other different type of law. Question number 27. Which one is not a factor of this? Our expression is x square minus 5x plus 6. On solving this, we will get x minus 2 and x minus 3. On doing different product, this will be 0, and this is also one factor, this is also one factor, and 1 is the factor of every term. So this is factor, this is factor, this is factor, this is not factor. So this is a right answer for question number 27. Now let us see question number 28. The solution set of this is, where y is whole number. If we solve this, you will get 2y is less than is equal to 10. So y will be less than is equal to 5. But y is whole number. So whole number should start from 0, and it is less than 5. Less than 5 means from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in option choice C. So option choice C is the correct answer for this question. Take care of this thing. If y is whole number, then this will be answer. If y is natural number, then our answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now natural number does not include the 0. Now let us see question number 29. 216, 1/3 power of 216 is, 216 can be written as 6 to the power 3. 3 into 1/3 will give us 1, that will be 6. So 6 is the answer for question number 29. Question number 30. If we solve this, then we will get 3 to the power minus 1, and 3 to the power minus 1 is equal to 3x. Base are same, so x should be equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the correct answer for the question number 30. Question number 31. If the product of two digits in a number is 8, it means option choice C and D are wrong, because in option choice A and B, 2 into 4 is 8 and 4 into 2 is 8. Product of digit is 8. Now when 18 is added, number will reverse. Now let us try for first option. 24 plus 18 will give us 42. Now this digit is reversing here by adding 18, and product of them is 8. Because of that, option choice A is the correct answer for question number 31. Now let us see question number 32. the median of the set of number. For this case, we need to arrange the number according to ascending or descending order. If I arrange, I will get this. Now there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 terms. Median will be 7 plus 1 divided by 2 term, that is fourth term. Fourth term is 4, so option choice B is the correct answer for question number 32. Now let us see question number 33. A tangent line intersect the circle at. If this is a circle, then tangent only intersect at one point, at a single point. So it should it should intersect at one point. Now question number 34. According to the alternando theorem. Alternando theorem means this y will take, this w will take, like this w is to y will come here, and x is to z will come here. This is the alternando theorem, so that is in option choice B. Now let us see question number 35. If x minus 2 is factor of fx, then this is from factor theorem. If certain x minus a is a factor of fx, then f a becomes 0. Here in the place of a there is 2. Because of that, f of 2 will be 0. So 0 is the answer for question number 35. So recall factor theorem, remainder theorem. Now let us see question number 36. Clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, thrice at 3 o'clock. And what will be number of strike in 12 hours? Now let us calculate for 24 hours for one day. Now let us calculate the number of strike for 12 hours. In 1 o'clock, once, 2 o'clock, twice, 3, plus if we continue till 12, and if we find the sum of this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus this, all will get 78. And within 12 hours it strikes 78 times. After 12 hours, again 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock will repeat till 12 o'clock. That is another 78 will come. 78 plus 78 will give us 156. So 156 is the answer for question number 36. Now let us see question number 37. 8 liter of milk contain 20% of water. What amount of water should be added so that amount of water will be 25%? Now let us calculate 20% of 8 liter. This will give us 20% of 8 will give us 1.6 liter. Now let us calculate 25% of 8 liter. That will give us 2 liter. Now if you subtract them, we will get 0.4 liter. So 0.4 liter is the amount of water that should be added to the milk so that it contains 25% of 25%, so that the water contains 25% of the milk. Now let us see question number 38. If the mean of 30 number is 12, what will be the new mean if we subtract 4 from each number? In this case, if we subtract 4 from each number, or if we add 4 from each number, then mean will be also added or subtracted by the same number. Here we are subtracting 4, so that our mean will also 12 minus 4, because we are subtracting 4 from each number. So our option choice A is the correct answer. Mean will also be reduced by 4. Now let us see question number 39. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest on this amount for 1 year? If we calculate for 1 year, whatever be the percentage, whatever be the amount in 1 year, if compound interest is calculated annually, then simple interest and compound interest will be same. But if we calculate for 2 years, then compound interest and simple interest will be different. Now this is for 1 year, and the calculation of that percentage is annually. Because of that, option choice D is the correct answer. Simple interest and compound interest will be same. Now let us see this question. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest on this amount? For this amount, if the calculation is done half yearly, if we calculate half yearly, in this case the simple interest and compound interest will not come same. You try to calculate this question by yourself and use tricks to calculate this question, so that you can get your answer easily in a fast way. Now let us get question number 40. In this question, x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. Then we need to find the value of this. Answer will come -2. Now how? Find yourself. If I explain everything, then video will be so long. Now let us move to question number 41. If the side of triangle are given, which information does not represent the triangle? Option choice C is the correct answer. Now again I leave this to you. How? Explain this. How this is not a triangle? Let me get answer in comment section. Now this question number 42. What is the area enclosed by this point? Now for this question, I know that most of the students will go for the area. They will start to solve this question by using the formula. But see, if this is 0, 0, 2, 2 will be here, 3, 3 will be here in this x and y axis. So this will form a straight line, and straight line does not include any area. So area will be 0 in this case. 0 is not in our option choice. So none of these is the answer for the question number 42. Now let us move to question number 43. If px square minus 4x plus 2 has equal roots, what is the value of p? This is the quadratic equation, and we know that for quadratic equation, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then it represents the equal roots. Now here the value of p will finally come by putting the value in this calculation. It will come to p will come to 2, that is p will be 2. P will be the 2 will be the answer. Option choice C will be the answer for the question number 43. Now let us move to question number 44. In this question there is one pattern. From this number to their number, we are omitting the first number. From this to this, we are omitting the last number. Now again it's time to omit the first number. So our answer will be 6, 3, 2, 4. 6, 3, 2, 4 is in option choice B. Now let us see question number 45. What is the probability of getting red faced card from a well shuffled deck of 52 card? Total there are 12 faced card. This jack, queen and king are called faced card, and the 6 face card are from red and 6 face card are from black. Red are diamond and heart. This is club and spade. Now we need to find the red faced card. So red faced card are 6 and 52 are the total number of cards. So 6 by 52 will give us 3 by 26. So 3 by 26 is the correct answer for the question number 45. Now let us move to question number 46. When two dice are thrown together, what is the probability of getting same number on both dice? If two dice are thrown, then we'll get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 6, and again 2, 1, 2, 3, like this, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, like that. It will go up to 36 numbers, and same number means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. That will be total 6. 6 by 36 will give us 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the correct answer for this question. That 1, 1, 2, these all are called sample space. If you have doubt on this question, you can search the sample space of throwing two dice simultaneously or at a time, then you will get all possible cases. Now question number 47. When two coins are tossed simultaneously, what is the probability of getting at least one tail? See, this type of question are also important. At least, at most, and only, these are the different terms. From that the confusion will come. Because of that, you need to take care of that one. The answer of this question is 3 by 4. Again, you need to work out on this, how 3 by 4 is the answer for this question number 47. Now let us move to question number 48. Who is known as father of geometry? Euclid is known as father of geometry. Who gave the value of pi is equal to 3.14? It is Archimedes. Archimedes is arc. It contains arc. Arc will make a circle, and circle uses pi in area, in perimeter. So Archimedes gave the value of pi. And Euclid is known as father of geometry. Now let us move to last question. Who invented zero? Zero was invented by Aryabhat. Now thank you very much. All the best for your entrance examinations. See you on next video. Thank you very much.